Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle. And of course you can see what we're going to do here is the B-Box Bargains Anniversary Bundle Sale number 7. This one is. It is the Rose Garden Deluxe Bundle and it was $55.99. And I love this pink rose organza bag that it's in. So I'm also going to keep that. Okay. So with my coupon, I used the, the 30% off coupon. So I brought the total down from $59.99 to $39.19, and with tax, it was $41.54. So there we go. Let's get into it. I thought I tried this black background here today. I don't know, just to see how it goes, something different, rather than, where's my white one? That one. So I want to see how it goes. All right, let's see what we've got. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. Okay, let's get these out of the way here. And we're going to get started with the fabulous free gift that they always give you. And these are Spacer 1574. And I know I already have some of these, but you always seem to run out of spacer beads quickly. So I'm going to pop some of those out. I like these. These are a little on the thicker side. I know I'm far away. Hold on there. I'm just going to do this so you can see a little better. Put that down here. I know it's kind of far away. I'll zoom in a little bit after I get more stuff out. I want to see how it looks. Well, let me zoom in now, and I'm going to zoom out later. Okay, that's okay. And then this is a 3-piece stainless steel lobster claw clasp in rose gold. And we all know what these look like. You get 3 of these. Just going to put that right there. I left one in the bag. And then you get these really pretty earring wires. Nickel-free brass earring hooks in rose gold. I'm going to take some of these out because these are just really kind of pretty. Leave some in there. They're just really pretty and shiny. And yep, I'm going to leave it right there in that pile. And this one is glass rondelle beads in lemon chiffon. And I'm going to take some of these out. These are small. They are 4x2 by 5 mil. They look like tiny little donuts. Okay. Got one stuck to me somewhere. Okay, let's get that going. Okay, I got all the tiny stuff out here first, looks like. These are rose gold spacer beads. 30-piece rose gold plated brass. These are really pretty. Come on. And let's get some jump rings here, rose gold jump rings. I'm not going to open these up. We all know what they look like. I'll leave it right there, though. Okay, something a little bigger here now. 10-piece, 6 mil. Rhinestone, light amethyst. This is really pretty. Okay, here we got more rose gold here going on. Doesn't want to open. 4 mil synthetic hematite, man-made faceted round beads. And you get a 7.5 inch strand with this. And of course, it's really pretty. So this is 3 mil cubic zirconia man-made faceted round beads in olivine, and it is 7 inches long. Okay. So I kind of like the smallness of the beads. I mean, there's larger beads than what we have here coming up, but this would be perfect for, you know, the bracelets I've been making. Here we go. We got some garnet. 3 by 5 mil garnet faceted round beads, 7.5 inches. I like that deep red. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Put that there. Zoom in a little. Okay. Oh, more tiny stuff. 40 piece, 4 by 2. Let me get some out for you. These sparkle, lots of sparkle right here. Rondelle spacer beads and rose gold and crystals. Look at that. Very pretty. There we go. And we have some of these, which I think I needed. Clamshells. We got clamshell bead tips in rose gold. You get 10 pieces of these. And these are very nice. Everything's just sticking to my hand today. Okay, so we got that. And here we go with some little bit larger bead. If I can get it out. Come on. There we go. We got your 4 mil faceted Q beads on a 15-inch strand, and these are super duper gorgeous. Look at that. Nice long strand. Look at all the varying colors there. You got some dark purple, some light. There we go. Well, we got some rose gold, brass head pins and rose gold. And you get 20 pieces of those. And I won't take those out either. I'll leave it right there. And we got some chain. Rose gold plated stainless steel. It's hypoallergenic. And there you go. I was gonna, doesn't say how long it is. I was wondering how long it was, but I don't have anything to measure it right here. But it's a nice long piece of chain. Very long. So here we go with that. I'll just set that up there. And these are pretty. I'm just going to take 1 ounce so I can easily put that back. Isn't that pretty? So it's a two-piece 19 by 16 stainless steel laser cut flower in rose gold. Set that up there. And here we go. And more pretty beads. Here we go. 5 by 3 by 5 mil pink and purple tourmaline faceted rondelle beads. 7.5 inch strand. The different color variations in here. Really pretty. I don't think I have any tourmaline. Okay. Moving on. Have a couple more packs here. And this is 4 mil crystal rondelles in Rose AB. It is 12 inches long. Very pretty. And of course it is faceted. Look at that sparkle. We got lots more sparkle. And, oh, what I've been waiting for. These are gorgeous. Okay, wait a minute. Let me get this set up before I show you. Hold on, hold on. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so these are rose gold plated brass and cubic zirconia flower charms. So you can, you know, pair earrings right here, 2 necklaces. Just beautiful. Look at that. So colorful. Where am I going to put you at? I'll put it right here. I won't take all these out. But you get 10 pieces, 13 mil brass filigree, rose gold links. And these are super duper pretty. You know what these remind me of? Remember that game back in the 60s, 70s? You would draw, what's it called? I was going to say scribble. It's not called spirograph. I think it's spirograph. Is it that? I think. I don't know. Where you draw and it comes out to look like this. This just popped in my head. That's what it looks like. You really thought you were creating some big time art. And it did look great when you were done. Maybe it's spirograph. I don't know. But that's exactly what this reminds me of. Anyway, these are really pretty. Of course, you're probably not as old as I am. Although the picture in my profile is very current, so. All right, here we go. On to the next. Hessonite, garnet, faceted round beads, 7.5 inches. And again, we have variant shades, and look at that. Really pretty. And it's faceted. Did I say that? Oh well. So pretty. And we are down to the last one. And of course I saved the best for last, I think. And so here we go. And this is the winner. Ta-da! This is gorgeous. 27 by 24, 5 mil. Rose gold plated brass with cubic zirconia round with flowers. Look at that. Look at this pendant. This is super gorgeous. This is one of those one of those that you can stare at all day. Anyway, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Look at that. Let's see what that looks like. Let me know if you like a black matte better or the regular white one. I think maybe the white one. I don't know. I have to see this on when I edit it first. So anyway, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It would help me out a great deal. It's free to do. And let me know in the comments if you got any. I would love to hear if you guys got any of these bundles. So there you go. And then I'm going to, since these beads are fairly small, I'm definitely going to be making some of my bracelets like this that I've been making. It's perfect for this type of bracelet with the little hanging charms. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this. And that's it. I'm just trying to think of something else, but I don't think so. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.